What's up, guys? Guys, what a day. What a day in the stock market. Holy smokes. Job report came out. Over double what was expected. Insane numbers. 336,000. Expectation was at around 150,000. The market tanked. On the news, the market tanked. It tanked the overall NASDAQ. Let's take a look at the triple Qs. It tanked a whole percent. If we look on the 5 minutes, you can see the overall NASDAQ. This was, what time was this? The report came out right here, guys. It came out right here, and it was just a huge tank. So in 5 minutes, we hit the bottom, maybe 10 minutes, and it started pulling back. It started pulling back, and then it kept going. And then when the market opened, it went up higher and higher, and no pullback in sight. With, I mean, an overall from top to bottom on TQQQ, there's about 9%, about 9% to be made, 3.5% on the downside, and we finished up 5%, about 9% total. Insane, just an insane day, guys. Really crazy. The only good thing in the report was the hourly earnings came out at 0.2 instead of 0.3, which is good. It means no wage spiral. The revisions were up from the prior month from 227,000 to 187,000, so not a good thing, which would support the case of higher for longer when it comes down to interest rate. The market just didn't want to hear about it. Just skyrocketed. I mean, it went down. And the crazy thing, I said in yesterday's video that it could go up to $37. It even blew up. There was a resistance at $37. We can see clearly the resistance right here. And it just kept pushing and kept pushing through every single freaking level. An insane day. And I guess the only, like, why did the market go up? I guess that they took the numbers as that it's good for not having a recession. I mean, people are unemployed. Businesses are employing people. So we're definitely not in a recession. And this could be good for inflation. So the big next day happening is going to be in 6 days from now. On the 12th, October 12th, note it down on your calendar, guys. October 12th, CPI. CPI comes out, inflation numbers. Expectation is at 0.3%. We'll see what happens. We'll see. I'm interested to see how it goes from here to next week, pretty much all next week. I don't really know. I was not expecting such a bounce. And especially with the dip, the initial dip, I mean, it felt like we were just going down. And what a reverse. What a reverse. So congratulations to all the bulls for sure. I caught some of it. Definitely not all of it. I even tried to short several times. Got stopped out 2 times. It worked a few times though. But definitely the money was to be made on TQQQ, not fighting the trend. I try to fight the trend until I was like, that's enough. Stop fighting the trend and then start going heavier on TQQQ, every pullback. And that was just by far the way to go. Easy way to trade today if you were not fighting the trend. And you see right now we're still pushing up. Aftermarket, still pushing up right now. We're not making new highs. We'll see where we open Monday morning. Very curious to see if where we open. I mean, are we going to be up another 2% Monday morning? I am not holding a position overnight. I'm out. Even though it went up 6%, I'm kind of waiting for the CPI. This was not supposed to be great news. The market did pull back quite a bit, and not surprised that we get a little relief rally, but I was not expecting on this news. On CPI, that would make sense. And on CPI, if CPI goes well, maybe it's time to swing trade. But for now, I'm going to keep it to day trading. It's just safer in my opinion. Follow up Monday. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Have a beautiful weekend, guys. I'm out.